Welcome to episode 39, and today we'll talk about coming up with your first business name. So that's one of the biggest challenges is that new business owners or startups, they have a great idea, they know exactly what they want to do or the services they want to provide or the product that they want to build, but just coming up with that catchy name or the name that really makes sense to their business can be sometimes very difficult. So here are some of the tools that you can use to help come up with a business name. And sometimes it doesn't even have to be, it could be a product name too. So one of the tools is called bustthename.com. So with bustthename.com, you can, for example, if you're looking for a pet supplies, if you're setting up a pet supply store, so you might want to add in some key terms like pet, supplies, and let's say dog food, maybe cat food, okay, and then animals, okay. And then over time, as you're typing in these list of words, you'll see available domains. And then sometimes the domains don't fit very well. Then you can start removing some of the list of words and start adding in more words. So over time, you're going to get some domains that really mesh with your business. But you don't want to stop there. So the next step is you want to, and another tool you can use is NameCheck.com. It works similarly. You can also add in keywords, and they'll kind of give you some domain names to kind of think about. The next step is making sure that that name is available on your local state level, so you can actually register that business. So for Michigan, it's LARA, Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs. And you can go there and search for that business name to see if it's already taken. If it's not, great, you'll be able to register that. Then the next thing is you may want to go check out this site called NameCheckR.com. So it's NameCheck with an R at the end.com. And what this does is you type in the domain name that you want, and it checks all the social media. Like it checks Facebook, Twitter, even MySpace. Who uses MySpace, right? Instagram, Vimeo, YouTube. Making sure that that name isn't taken anywhere else. So that's another key point. You don't want to register all this and find out that someone has all these names already registered on social media, and you won't be able to get that. Then you'll have to change use a different type of name, and it becomes more of a headache. So, but once you figure that out, you want to make sure you register the domain name, obviously file for your business paperwork, like an LLC, or whatever entity you have. And then, of course, sign up for all the social media accounts. Doesn't mean you're going to use all the social media accounts, but at least you want to have them for a future date. Okay, or so to prevent others from registering your name too. So hope all that helps, and I'll see you next time.